Howdy folks. So in this video I want to quickly explain how to make a page or a post in WordPress, and additionally how and why that might not automatically be added to a menu that you're looking to add it to, and how to deal with that. So on this site I maintain called Thoughtful Code, which is about programming and depth is beyond WordPress. I want to add a new page, and just in case you're confused about it, a page in WordPress is something that stands apart in time. So I have this about page that I definitely need to update on my page, and then I have this blog set of blog articles, which is a set of posts is the terminology in WordPress, which are date-specific things that are sorted in reverse chronological order by default. So you can see my January 9th post goes before my December 18th post, which goes before my November 13th post. So posts are typically articles, or for like more of a standard business, there'll be things like we're going to a craft fair and we have a sale on mittens right now, something like that. So in order to create a new post or page, one of my options, and the one I'm going to do right here, is to go to New Page, right from that admin bar that you see whenever you're logged into your WordPress site. Alternatively, once I'm in the admin area of my site, I can go to Pages, Add New, or click Pages and then click Add New. All of those work essentially the same. And this one is going to be an invitation to pair program with me. Something I just want to try out is that I want to offer people the ability to pair program with me. I'll work out the details after this post, but I had this basic content in my clipboard that I wanted to put onto this page, so I'm going to put that in there. This is just the normal WordPress post or page editor. You'll notice that because I'm now in WordPress 5.0, it looks a little different than it might on your older WordPress installation. Hopefully you'll see this one soon enough. So I published that page. And now if I go to view the page, I can see that that page exists. But this thing on my WordPress site is called a menu, and yours might be in a slightly different position. Maybe it's over to the right, maybe it's like left justified, something like that. But it is not showing in this menu because pages don't automatically get added to the menu. There are different settings you can turn on to make that happen, but in order to add something to a menu, you will go into the customizer, go into a menu, main nav, and then we'll see that I have this invalid link in my admin, and then I want to add a new page called Pair Program with David to my header there. You'll also notice that I have this link here that says automatically add new top-level pages to this menu. So if I'd clicked this setting before I made this page, I wouldn't have had to come into this menu and turn on a link to that page. Otherwise, I'm all set. So with that, if I hit publish and I go back to my site, you'll notice as I navigate around the site, I'll close the customizer just so we see it like our visitors do. I navigate around my site and that link stays there for that page I just made. So that page is for something that I want to be available for a while on my site. So that's why it's a page. And then I had to add it to a menu to make it appear very obvious to my visitors, because WordPress has this concept of menus as separate from pages, because some pages you might just want to only send to people via email or something like that. That's it. Cheers.